Good day, my name is Sophia Baluyot and I'm going to present the National Accommodation Standard. So yung National Accommodation Standard is ito po yung ini-implement ng industry natin sa mga enterprises para masubok ang quality ng services na i-offer ng enterprise sa mga clients. So first po is accreditation. Referred to a certification issued by the department to a tourism enterprise that officially recognizes it as having complied with the minimum standards for operating tourism facilities and services. Ito po yung mga certifications or mga documents na nilalakad po ng mga business owners para mapatunayan na yung services po nila or yung business nila ay certified po at pwede po talagang mag-accommodate ng mga guests. Next po is ang hotel. So, referred to a full-service accommodation with reception and guest rooms generally offering private facilities with an on-site restaurant, rooms, and bar services available. Ito po yung para sa mga guests na gusto nila ng accommodation or mga overnight stays or saglit na stays. It depends on them, pero andun na po yung pangangailangan nila. Kumbaga, nag-acquire po sila doon ng services para magkaroon po sila ng comfort as well as mas convenient po para sa kanila. For example po, yung mga businessman, nag-hotel po sila pag nagkakaroon po sila ng business trips para magkaroon po sila ng mapag-stayan. Next po is resort. So, refer full-service accommodation located in a more natural, relaxed environment with receptions and guest rooms generally offering private facilities with an on-site restaurant, room, and bar services available. Medyo similar siya sa hotel, but then it is an enterprise that offers recreational activities and much recommended po siya for mga clients na gustong mag-relax and gusto pong mag-unwind kasi hindi lang po basic accommodations yung makukuha nila, kundi pwede rin po silang mag-relax kasi nga po may mga pools or pwede ring beach resort. It depends on them po. Perfect po siya for mga activities na gusto mo lang na ilabas yung emotions mo or whatsoever po. Dahil mas maganda po yung ambience nito at yung mga resources po around it is natural lang. Next is apartment hotel. Refer the serviced apartments offering self-contained units with access to kitchen and laundry facilities. Number of bedrooms may share bathroom in the unit. So yung apartment hotel po, para ka lang talagang nag-i-stay sa isang bahay dahil yung mga nakikita mo sa bahay ay meron po dito sa mga apartment hotels. And ito po is mas convenient siya para sa mga clients na hindi lang overnight or hindi lang po per hour yung stay, pwede po sila dito mag-stay ng ilang araw para masulit po yung bayad nila. And ito po, mayroon na nga po silang mga laundry, may kitchen na po. Kumbaga, pwede na po silang mag-self-service dito po sa apartment hotel. Next is yung quality gradings. Refer to such terms as unacceptable, adequate, good, very good, excellent, and outstanding. Yung quality gradings po, hindi na po dito yung industry yung mag-grade, kundi yung mga clients po or guests na nag-accommodate po sa services nila. Most likely po, nakukuha yung quality grading sa mga feedbacks po nila. And next is rules. Refer to the rules and regulations implementing the accreditation of accommodation establishments with consideration of the implementing rules and regulations of the Tourism Act 2009. So yung Tourism Act of 2009 po, ito po yung mga enterprises po ng tourism industry such as hotel, restaurants ay nag-contribute sa economic growth or may nakukuha rin po yung bansa natin sa mga profit na nakukuha po nila. So dito po nag-set po sila ng mga policies na magko-control po hindi lang sa mga guests kundi pati sa mga staffs ng enterprise na yon. And next is yung standards. Refer to written, functional, aesthetic, and technical requirements in the form of specifications and guidelines to ensure that a product and service comply with the department's rules and regulations. Ito po, for example nito is yung environmental standards, kung safe po ba yung facilities nila for the clients and guests, and kung safe ba yung facility nila pag nag-stay yung mga guests sa kanila. So, it's more on security. And that's all. Thank you po for listening.